Hey guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you a shopping haul that just came in the mail today from Craft Creations. And I figured I would share with you what I got. So let me just open this up. And I'm slowly building up my collection of Heartfelt Creation dies. So I show you what I picked up. So here's my little order sheet. So I did pick up the butterfly floral stamp. This one here. I have the die for it somewhere. Yeah. So I had already picked this up and kind of played around with it a little bit. So this one here, and I thought I had it. I know. I did cut it out. I don't know where it is. My desk is a mess because I'm currently just wrapping up a project using the little boy paper collection. This is almost done, so here's a little sneak peek at it. It's going to be super cute. Yeah, my desk is a mess from that. But anyway, this is using, just to give you a sneak peek at my project, this is using Baby Dreams Boy, and it's coming out really cute. So I kind of did this where it's not really showing a lot of the baby boy aspect of it. It does have some sleeping animals and things like that, but you can, I'm trying to show how you can use this paper, not necessarily for as a baby boy book, even though it's super cute and you can use it for that way. And then the album will be like this, and then this will all be inside. I think this is the one I made for it. Although now that I'm looking at it, I might, is it too long? Maybe I have a different book. That, or I'm redoing my book because I think I made my pages too long. That's so funny. I think this was the book for it. Look at that. I did. I have to redo the cover. That's funny. I'm glad I didn't decorate it yet. Alright, so anyway, that's what's coming up. And so I had picked up the butterfly die, which was super pretty. And then, of course, Sally had to go ahead and show the stamp after I already got the die. So I had to go ahead and pick up the stamp. Look how pretty that is, all that detail. It's going to be so much fun. So I got that. And I also picked up the rustic sunflowers. So I picked up also the rubber stamp to go with it. So you can stamp out all your details with it. And then use the die to cut them out. Like that. And then I got the shaping mold to go ahead and add some shape to them. Let's see if we can get it open. Now, if you've never used these before, they are a lot of fun to play with. So, but you have to have a machine that will take the larger dies, and then you just put your flowers in and then put it on and run it through your press. Missed it a little bit. I know I'm going to use this for a project coming up pretty soon here, so I will show you how all of that works. All right, and put those aside. And then I also picked up a Heartfelt Creation album. This is an 8x8, and I've never used an album before that was like a pre-made album, but I figured I would give it a shot and see. So it looks like it gives you the measurements of what to cut your paper. Making a mess. Yep, so that would be 3. Yep, that's pretty neat. So it gives you the measurements. And it opens up. my mouse out of the way. Nice. So this will be fun to create. Does it give instructions? It just shows. So you can see on the back. Like I said, I've never used one of these before because I always make my own. Album includes magnet placements and dimensions to cut paper. So I guess I have magnets in here too. You see that? Looks super pretty. The Heartfelt Creation paper is so pretty. So it opens all up. That's funny because now, like I said, I've never seen these before. And this page right here, that's so funny. Which is pretty common anyway. Most people do stuff like this anyway. So it's not like it's new, but look at how funny is that, that's exactly what I just created here. That's so funny. So that opens up. Does it go? I think it goes like that. And then we open up again. And like this. And then, let's see, how do we fold all down? Did I already do this? I did this side already. And then fold all the way. So anyway, that's going to be fun to do. So I figured that this might be something fun to do where if you're short on time and you can go ahead and create an album. So I'm going to decide, I do have some collections I got before. So I thought maybe I would go ahead and decorate this and kind of show you some of the new paper collections, and I wouldn't have to actually design an album. All right, so I will leave you to the link down below for all of the products that I picked up from this store. And if you have any questions, go ahead, leave them below. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.